Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 6x6 by 2 inch little canvas and some Mayan black paint on the edges that's kind of wet. And no idea at all what I'm about to do. I have Prizm pour paints. I have some French silk, which is an amazing iridescent. And I'm going to use that next to the Mayan black. And I'm probably going to put some of the Chantilly lace down the middle. Double it. Use some of the Aztec gold. I have the African violet handy. The cerulean blue. Pink diamond. I'm looking for some peacock. I found dark water. I found black iris. Where's my peacock gone? There it is. All ready to go. For some reason, that makes me want to use some of the Fandango, which I might be sorry about. I'm not always 100% on my choices, but that looks good. I'm going to pull in some of the deep amethyst. I think I want one more blue, which might be at this point frozen. If it decides to come out. Which is iffy at best at the moment. Looks like it's time to clean out my bottle top. Playing fast and loose with paint. Clean that up. Alright, what am I going for? I am going for I'm going to use a Tuscan sun and some unicorn spit that's orange. And then the orange crush with the big apple in it. And then it's a choice. Is it going to be the hot orchid, which is now Jasmine in primary elements? I think it's going to be the hot orchid. I haven't been using a lot of it lately because it's not available. I'm going down here too. It will stain white. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I do have a scrape dish. Where is it? There it is. So, I am going to, I'm going to put some black, Amsterdam black, cell activator down, and scrape off my, get my bottles out of the way. That's pretty cool. I'm not doing a good job of that. Let's go from the other side. Let's wipe that off in between. Do I just want, no, I want all the colors. Ha! I'm going to go for the white next. And then I'm going to go for the purple on the next side. This is kind of cool. Purple is dioxazine purple, which is modern, no, it's Master's Touch. And wipe that off. The cells are amazing. They're really cool. The bubbles, not so much. There we go. I'm going for the white again. What if I should go from halfway? And then pull the rest down. And hope that works. I don't know if it should have been white or not. I guess we'll figure it out. I've got some orange. I've got orange, which is Aussie Floetrol with orange unicorn spit. If I open it, it will work even better. I also have some magenta from Golden, and I'm going to put that in there as well. Oh, this is turning out much better than I had anticipated. That's stacks of awesomeness. That's so cool. Let me see if I can bring up some cells over here. And possibly some colors. That's pretty deep. I'm really glad I added the GAC 800 by Golden in there. Well, sorry about my head. I actually got the Fandango to come out. Pretty sure I could drag a skewer through there and it would be pretty cool also. I'm liking how the drips went down the edges. I think I'm just going to leave that alone. And I think I'm almost done. I want a dot of magenta right there. And a dot of orange right here. Nice cells. No pillow paint. I can torch. I need to too because it's heavy paint. Well, hopefully that dries and looks half as cool as it looks now. I'm going to shimmer a light at you. Tell you guys I have over 2,500. Ooh, I hope you can see some of that. I've got to zoom in. There's no doubt about it. You know what? I really should put that up on something for you guys. And if you give me a minute, I will do that. Get some bottles out of the way. Across the board. Bring over a rack. Throw my tools in the bucket. That was fun. Ooh, and I actually managed to get it in the right place. That's amazing. And shimmer it at you. Look at those colors. Those awesome colors. Woo, baby. And I have the other light on, which is amazing. It's working. Maybe I have to go from that direction. Oh, this is sweet and getting sweeter by the moment. Look at those sparkles. I love you guys. Please check under the video for my link tree where I have Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Woohoo! Appreciation group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes, and more. It's for shopping. Pixels.com, Fine Art America. Society 6, which is also on my link tree. Spring clothing. Oh, wow. This is just gorgeous and getting so much prettier by the moment. I can't even tell you. So, I love you guys. Did I say there's over 24? I'm really distracted. Over 2,400 videos, and you can ask me for a link. If you'd like to, they're organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And if you want to look for them yourself, they're on my YouTube channel. Look for playlists, all playlists, created playlists, or just ask me. And thank you guys for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate them. And if you'd like to be a contributor to help keep the studio making tutorials, find the PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner or the link on the link tree. Wow, so pretty. Wow. I'm sorry. I can't help it. Please share and like my videos. When you give me a thumbs up, it makes me happy. Gives me a good smile. When you watch longer or the commercials, or I think that's it. I do sell my artwork, and my paint pouring recipe is below the video. I also give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My email address is below the link tree underneath Show More. When you open Show More, you'll find my paint pouring recipes and the link tree. And my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. This is so awesome. Well, I thought maybe I was wasting paint, but it was a small canvas, so I was going to give myself permission. And I'm so happy that I did. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I post at noon and midnight most days. And if you need something from me, just ask. I love you guys so much. You inspire the heck out of me. If I forgot something, you'll see it in another video. Bye for now. Priscilla out.